Hey, it's Ryan with Backroad Reviews, and in this review, we're going to take a look at the Patriot Lighting 68-inch indoor-outdoor fan. Let's take a look. So we installed this fan up in our rafters in our pole barn here, and it puts out a very decent amount of air. The remote in and of itself does have multiple functions, 6 speeds. It does have its own breeze function, so it can oscillate the different speeds randomly to simulate breezes. It does go in both directions. It does have a light that goes on and off, obviously, and some other functions like hourly timers and that sort of thing. Really nice fan. It's super quiet. Really happy with how quiet it is. It's very large and does what a fan is supposed to do, move some air. So let's do an unboxing here. Everything comes pretty everything comes nicely packaged together. Limited lifetime warranty. The bases, screw set, counterweights, what looks like. Mounting plate, shaft blades. Blades are very lightweight. They look heavier than they are. It's like cast aluminum housing with the LED in it. That has some weight. You got the motor back here, the fan mounts, blade mounts, and the LED up front. Nice and heavy. Looks like fairly waterproof. This is an indoor-outdoor fan, and lasts quite a long time. Right. Housing for the light. Remote. You can see the foam is really well done. There you have it. That's the unboxing video for the Patriot 68-inch fan. It will definitely be able to stand some shipping rigors and abuse. Thanks for watching.